In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Shopify, an essential skill for anyone managing an online store. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce professional or just getting started, understanding this process is crucial for maintaining smooth operations and ensuring customer satisfaction. First, you'll need to navigate to the Orders section of your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your recent sales. If you're currently on a free trial, you might not have any orders yet, but no worries. Stick with me and follow these steps for when you do. This navigation is generally found on the left-hand side of your Shopify admin page, labeled simply as Orders. The next step is to select the specific product order that you want to delete. You can easily find it by scrolling through the list of orders, or using the search bar if you have a large volume of transactions. Pay close attention to the details and ensure you've chosen the correct order number. This helps prevent any accidental cancellations. Once you've selected the right order, you'll see a button labeled More Actions, located within the order details. Click on this button and you'll access a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and select the Cancel Order option. It's a straightforward action, but take a moment to confirm your choice, as canceling an order is a significant decision. After you've successfully canceled the order, the system will update to reflect this change. However, to completely remove the order from your records, you'll want to delete it. To do this, you'll notice an option to Delete Order also in the order details. Click on this and the order will be permanently removed from your order list. And that's it. Just a few simple steps and you've successfully canceled and deleted an order on Shopify. Remember, it's always important to communicate any cancellations with your customers, ensuring transparency and maintaining a good relationship. You might want to reach out to them directly, perhaps by sending an email to explain the situation or inform them about the cancellation details. Practice these steps a few times until you feel comfortable navigating and executing them efficiently. If you manage a store with multiple products and frequent transactions, being adept at such tasks can save you time and prevent costly mistakes. Consider checking your settings to enable notifications when orders are processed, ensuring you're always informed about your store's activity. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep exploring your Shopify platform, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have more questions. Managing an e-commerce store may seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video for more e-commerce tips and tutorials.